Have you ever wondered when your baby will start rolling over? This significant milestone is a precursor to crawling and walking, and it's an exciting time for every parent. Firstly, give your baby plenty of tummy time. This will strengthen their neck, shoulder, and arm muscles, which are essential for rolling over. Start with a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the time as your baby gets stronger and more comfortable. Secondly, use toys to motivate your baby. Place a toy just out of your baby's reach during tummy time. The desire to reach the toy will encourage your baby to roll over. Thirdly, guide your baby through the rolling motion. Gently roll your baby from their back to their tummy and vice versa. This will help them get a feel for the motion and understand what they need to do. Fourthly, ensure your baby has ample space. Clear the area around your baby to prevent any bumps or bruises. This will also give your baby the freedom to move and roll over. Fifthly, don't rush the process. Every baby is unique and will roll over in their own time. Encourage your baby, but don't push them too hard. Sixthly, always supervise your baby during tummy time or when they're trying to roll over. This is to ensure their safety at all times. Lastly, celebrate every milestone. When your baby finally rolls over, show them your excitement. This will motivate them to keep trying and exploring. In summary, to encourage your baby to roll over, give them plenty of tummy time, use toys as motivation, guide them through the rolling motion, ensure they have ample space, don't rush the process, always supervise them and celebrate every milestone. Remember, every baby is unique and they will roll over in their own time. Be patient, be supportive, and most importantly, enjoy this exciting time in your baby's life. Before we end this video, we'd like to remind you to please hit the like button if you found this information helpful. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us to continue creating content like this. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our future videos full of helpful tips and advice. Remember, we're here to help you navigate through these exciting milestones in your baby's life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.